In this video, we're going to be doing circles and functions, and the general form for a circle is x minus a squared plus y minus b squared equal to r squared. Here, the center is opposite in sign, so this would be a, the x value would be a for the center, and the y value would be b. Okay, so opposite sign, and the radius is the square root of r squared, so it's just r. Now let's look at an example. Suppose we have x minus 2 squared plus y minus 6 squared equal to 81. Then the center is 2, 6, opposite in sign, and the radius is equal to the square root of 81, which is 9. Let's look at another example. Suppose we had x plus 5 squared plus y plus 8 squared equal to 36. Then our center, opposite in sign, minus 5, minus 8. And then our radius would be the square root of 36, which is 6. Okay, what about if I had x squared plus y squared equal to 25? Well, in this case, right? In this case, we have the center will be 0, 0. And the radius would be the square root of 25, which is 5. Well, how do I know that the center is 0, 0? Well, if we took x squared can be written as x minus 0 squared. And y squared can be written as y minus 0 squared equal to 25. So here we have 0 going back there for the x value and 0 going back there for the y value. Okay, let's look at another example. Suppose we have x plus 2 squared plus y squared equal to 4. Then here the center is minus 2, and then here the y value would be 0, and the radius would be the square root of 4, which is 2. Okay, let's do one more example. Suppose we have x squared plus y plus 5 squared equal to, let's say, 18. Then here the center is 0, minus 5, and then the radius would be the square root of 18. Well, we could break 18 up into the square root of 9 times the square root of 2. So the radius, all right, so I'm going to end this video here. But before I go, I think I'm going to make a part 2 to this video. I'll make a part 2 to the video, and it will handle questions like this. X squared minus 4x plus y squared minus 10y equal to 16. And to handle these type of questions, we're going to need to do factoring, and we're going to use completing the square. So factor in by completing the square. That's the technique we will use. So I have another video on completing the square, so please look at that before you look at part 2. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope it clarifies any misunderstandings you have.